Good morning, girls. Today I am going to take you median. See, median definition. Median is the value of the middlemost item when all the items are in order of magnitude m, where m denotes the median. Means median means middle value. There are formulas. You see, first problem, find out the median from the following data. First you see the values 5, 11, 6, 10, 14, 21 they have given, girls. So first what we have to do is we have to arrange this in ascending order. First ascending order means here see 5, 6 from small to big. You are arranging this in ascending order. Then formula for this is size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Size of n by 2 means n value, how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is n is equal to 6. Size of n plus 1 by 2, that means 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, that is 3.5th item, that is third plus fourth item, third plus fourth by 2. Third plus 4 means what? Third value here 10 and fourth value is 11, then 10 plus 11 by 2th item. Size of 21 by 2, 21.2 means what value will get? If we do means 10.5. That's all, girls. Like this second problem also you find. First you arrange this in ascending order, this small to big. You calculate that, you will understand nothing, that is very easy. Next problem is also very easy. Only you have to ascending order and you calculate by formulas. Then you see discrete series. First, if it is in discrete series means first one arrange the data in ascending order, then out descending order, then find out the cumulative frequency, apply the formula. For this formula is m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Then they have given size 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.58. Then frequency value they have given. You are putting this here. You will see a tabular column. Then as usual, how you will find cumulative frequency? 10. Then 10 plus 16. Like that you are finding cumulative frequency value. Then m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Here n frequency you add, what you will get? That's as usual. How you will do that? N is equal to 173. Then 173, size of 173 plus 1 by 2th item, that is size of 174 by 2th item. 174 by 2 means 87th item. This is size of 87. Where it will lie? This is 87. Where it will lie? It will lie between 69 and 99. 99 value, that value will be there no more. So that is the cumulative frequency. That is size of 87th value will lies in 99. So here the highest value is 99. So this is the value. Then m is equal to median is equal to 7. In class interval, what value you are getting? 99 means that correct here class interval is 7. That is m is equal to 7. You see that m is equal to 7. That's all, girl. Like this one, this problem also you have to do. Once you refer, if you have any doubt you can ask. Then you see if it is in continuous series, find out the median class. First you have to find the median class. For this formula is m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into C. F means frequency of median class. Cumulative frequency, Cf is cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. That means if the value you are getting 99 means that before value, that is the cumulative preceding median class. L is equal to lower limit. If it is in the value you are getting n by 2, which value you are getting means that correct. If 110 to 120 means 110. Like that they have given. Then C is class interval. You know that C also can write, or else you can write as I also. See the problem. First one, they have given 145 to 150, 150 to 155, like that. 170 to 175. This is a tabular column. They have put 145 to 150, 152, 155 like this. You have then frequency value what they have given, they are writing this one. Then cumulative frequency, see, you know that how to find this one. Then see, for you apply the formula, m is equal to, first you have to find size of n by 2. Size of n is equal to here 30. 30 by 2 means what ma? 15. 15 will, where it will lies? It will lies in 7 or 17. It will be lies in 17. This is the biggest value, so 17. So here this is the median class. This is here class interval is 155 to 160. Then L is equal to 155. This is the frequency. Correct median class is 17. That's frequency is 10. Cumulative frequency is before, preceding. What value here you were getting, that before, that is 7. 17 before numbers what you have, 7. See, you apply here, see, L is equal to 155, F is equal to 10, cumulative frequency is 7, C is equal to 5. You apply the formula for that and you will get the answer. You use the calculator and see. Same problems. So have any doubt means you can ask. This is different. Calculate the median from the following data. Less than they have given. Less than they have given means as usual actual what cumulative frequency value they would have given. If it is more than value or less than value means in mean itself I said you this is the cumulative frequency value they have given. 0 to 10, 10 to 2, you are putting this cumulative frequency value. Then F is equal to 4, 16 minus 4, like that you have to find 16 minus 4, 40 minus 16. This frequency value, if you add me, that is the n value. You apply the formula as usual. M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into C also can say, or I also can say. That's all. You apply the formula and you see, you will get the answer. More than problem, see, same like that only, normal how you are putting in median, like that only, nothing difference. You check once, you will understand. If you have any doubt means you can ask. When you see the merits and demerits of median, just you read that, one glance is enough. That's all, girls. In mode next class I will teach you. If you have any doubt means you can ask and you can add me in your group also. Thank you, girls.